This mean ass mother. Oh, come on. Come on, every time.
Hey, go stand next to your shit. Go stand.
You want drop off? Light on your ass.
Yo, burn lost. Burn lost immediately. Burn lost. Oh,
This bitch might not be one. I love these performance packs.
Yo, Jones, where you at?
Yo, what it is, FBO fam? We back at you again, about to bring you another one. We got a little, let me turn this AC down. We got a car meet we're about to go to. About to meet up with the boys, slide over there. It's looking a little with the sky right now. Hopefully that holds off. But we're gonna be optimistic about it. It's Saturday, and it's time to get some more footage. So we on the way. Headed over there right now. Should take me about 20 minutes to get there. I'll see y'all in a bit. Yo, so we made it. We outside. I don't even know. We at backstage up here on the south side. You know what I'm saying? Over here by Moreland and all of that shit. But we got Stormtrooper over there. You good, bro? I know y'all remember Debo over here. This mean ass mother. Oh, come on. Come on, every time, man. Come on. Ugh. By that Grand Coupe over here. SRT Bean got the cat. Manual cat. Boy, he don't want it. SRT Bean. SRT Bean, don't come around. You don't want it with that manual cat, boy. Okay. And see, this is why people have them. He said it was loud. But this is the problem, y'all. How does the 345 look like the 376? That's what a lot of people have a problem with. But motherfucker right there. Hellcat. No, it's just, you know, like a lot of people have a problem with like the fact that I paid this much more, you know what I'm saying? But it looked like, unless you a car guy, you know what I'm saying? No, I got a Beamer. The Proof M3 over there. Good boy said, fuck it, hood off. Got them performance pack 3 wheels on the. Oh, and he got the Adro body. This boy, he ain't playing. I know this car got some work done to it. Let me back up, see if it's an intercooling 2 wheels. Brooks Racing now. Loud. Them side skirts is nasty with the Adro. I was just watching Fresh Kicks and he just got one of these kits. Real carbon. Real carbon. Yeah, I like that.
No, bro. That car about to be out of commission again, but he can't drive.
See what he got over here. Got the dome pulling up. Big cap for it. It's alright. Big cap forges. That's this is what happened when you come through Southside. These boy coming off the light on your ass.
Yo, burn lost. Burn lost immediately. Burn lost. Oh, what are you running one?
These boys wild.
Shit.
Hey boy, these niggas crazy as hell. Hey, these motherfuckers crazy, y'all. These motherfuckers crazy as hell.
You need a different spot?
Yeah.
All right, I'll ask her. Hey, burner.
So you saying you got it? You just, oh, nigga got to jump. Hey, all right.
Let a nigga come
Hey, you said, hey,
M3 is gonna walk everything on this light.
I already told him.
M3 is gonna walk everything
Already
on this light.
listen. I was standing over here and I was looking around and I was like, oh, really like King Kong over this bitch right
Really
now
are.
today. Right now today, except for this shit right here. But hey, the only reason I follow up in him right now is because of some tires he got on there.
I got
He got a hook.
He picked drag on. I still got you.
On
an M3.
No, hey, you better go look in the grill of that bitch.
I don't know. I test drove an M3 yesterday.
Listen, I don't know if y'all know, but the first shit, hey,
DJ AR, man, Gap Cam, AR Gap
tell
Cam.
him one more time.
Man, AR Gap Cam, man.
Tell
Follow me
him
on
one more time.
Instagram, I_DJ
Hey.
AR, FBO, me, the best in the game.
I don't know if y'all know, but I started with a Honda. You know what I'm saying? At an age 22 Civic, I love to put an 8 Series in this bitch right now. They're sold.
Yeah, it's running a V18.
Oh, you got to be in it?
Yeah, it's a V18.
Okay, that's what's up.
That's how she got it.
Yeah, no, I actually had like, I had a Prelude, I had an Integra.
I was telling her to get a Prelude. She ain't want one.
Who?
This her car, but I'm driving it. She don't want to drive
Oh man, she don't like the Del Sol.
it. Nah, so she likes it. She just doesn't like that it has like that loud ricer sound to it.
She want it where it needs, where she want it to be
Yeah,
already.
Like, yeah, I'm like,
Everybody
that's
go
not
through
how
that.
it's gonna
Everybody go through that. Like it's a process.
go. Yeah,
I tell you what, go find her some GSR blades and she'll be cool.
she'll be fine, bro. Like,
Or some Fat Fives. GSR blades or some Fat Fives and she'll be like, all right, I kind of like it now.
What? She gets
For
some
real.
fully adjustable coilovers on that bitch.
Already. Go ahead and space them things out. Get that fitment right. Del Sol, like, I don't know what this car will sell for right now, but I bet it's more than everybody think. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Like, I don't know what they're going for. I hadn't looked. I hadn't looked in a while, but I know all of that shit shot up.
Me, I fell in love with the 8th gen Civics.
Yeah.
I love the 8th.
So I had my H22 was in the EK and it was straight H. It was H22 engine and trans. Was no H2B H2B or nothing like that. All right, look like we got another stoplight drag coming up. It's like these stoplights out here in Mexico. Yeah.
Hey, look, they ain't hear me.
Bruh,
No, y'all was what's up, gang?
Boy, you all right? Bro? Yeah. Car sound good, man.
Hey, what's up? Slow that shit down.
These boy got a. These boys finna race a half a 8. Half an 8 mile.
What are we proving?
They 60 foot out here. These boys catching 60 foots out here.
60 on a stick hard tire with any motherfucker out here.
Hey, if a motherfucker want to do something, let's walk down there to that second light.
And let it run the whole thing.
I got bread.
Kids, bro. This is what you call green beans.
Hey, I like
Green
that. I like
beans.
that.
This is not real racing, bro. I'm telling you right now. FBO me, hear me out. This shit is not real racing, bro. I have no idea what these motherfuckers are doing.
Hey, these motherfuckers out here getting 60 foots. On mama, 60 foots. They racing 330 feet right now. These sand drags. Hey, boy, my nigga, fuck the race. The save is what. Fuck the race.
I gotta talk my shit. Let me get my nigga. Hold on. Cause that save was not.
The save, nigga. Oh my God, boy. These motherfuckers came. I done been in that situation before. I ain't gonna tell you what happened, but the save, man. I'm like, I ain't gonna get the race because it's really some cabbages. They racing like 330 feet. I should have got it.
It's got no cats on it. It's just raw fuel. I got a 2-step on it. That's why she's fun. But I mean, it does. Even if I'm not on the 2-step, when I like take it up high on the RPM and then just come off the gas, the exhaust naturally pops.
car like that, I would have been going that way. I swear on my mom.
Donna finna get in her sand.
Let me show y'all some shit. That's a clean up. That's clean up right there. Both of them. Cleaning shit up.
I mean, but you should just be saying that. But I'm telling you,
we made it back. Or we almost made it back. We're at the car meet, and then y'all see we had some little south side runs over there. Like, boy, I'm telling you, boy, they was ready to do it. Like, they was just ready. Off top, didn't care where it was at, they was ready to do it. But that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all next time. I tried to get a run with that cat. When I came outside, he wasn't nowhere to be found, so he was a cool guy though, so I'm sure he just had something to do, you know. But we gonna get that done. We gonna get that done. I want a stock cat to run. Come on, like, from what I got, my car came with 420 horsepower, 425 horsepower. And it's a downpipe and a tune. I'm looking for a stock cat to race. Like, why is this shit so hard? I'm in Atlanta. Y'all got Hellcats legitimately bought, stolen. Goddamn, your homeboy Hellcat just got to find me one. Let's go. But hey, I'm all at y'all next time. Till then.
Yo, Jones,